Hi, I'm Max Cavazzano of Avnet Silica. I'm technology specialist for analog product at EMEA level. Analog is everywhere. It's never the core of the application, but it's always needed in every application to make the other stuff working. So analog is never seen as the main product of the application, but is always as important as the main product, as without the analog parts around, nothing will work. So, as a technology specialist, I'm supporting technically our team and the customer, and of course, together with the help of the supplier, with the analog products. What analog means for us? Analog for us means three main area of products. We have signal chain, where we have data converters, op-amps, all this kind of stuff. Then we have power management, where we have DC to DC converters, AC to DC, battery management system, LED drivers, PMICs, motor drivers, gate drivers, a lot of everything that is related to power. And then last but not least, we have interfaces. So everything that is needed to connect the devices together and to make different systems talk together, either in an isolated or non-isolated way. So if you need any information about this product, or you need help on how to develop an application, or how to better control the core of your application using analog products, come to us and we will help you. Thank you.